What would you say to a crane owner who feels they have a good maintenance schedule but doesn't utilize a full maintenance program?
I would say that having a maintenance program will help you make those maintenance routines more regular by integrating your maintenance program that you use now, which may be very effective, but applying that type of program to an enterprise solution will amplify what your program does for your company. I think that one of the benefits is that by maintaining an up-to-date digital record of all those repairs and inspections that are performed by the field personnel and having them in an accessible place gives you the opportunity to take that data and apply it to your equipment lifecycle evaluations. It also allows you to quickly access those reports when you need to share them with clients or customers who require you to show service logs. It also helps you to have it all in one place so that at end of quarter or say end of year, you can take a broader evaluation of the overhead costs for your equipment. When you align that with other data that's going to be provided through an enterprise solution, it'll help give you a more full picture of what that crane or piece of equipment is costing you relative to previous years so that you can make a better determination of where that equipment is in its life cycle as far as its value to you as a company and whether or not it's time to sell or replace that equipment or maybe to just kind of pull it back and put it into less intense service or less intense positions, maybe where it's like your alternate piece of equipment that is not kind of your centerpiece of your fleet.